Slavery doesn't exist anymore. Actually, it does. We just don't see it. We don't see the small boy forced to work in a brick factory, carrying more than twice his body weight. Or the mother, with her 2 small children sitting at her feet, working without pay and without end. Or the young girl, whose body is sold again and again and again. But there is hope, because there is a group of people working day and night, relentlessly searching for each one of these lives. And when they free one life, they search for the next, and the next, and the next, making them the largest international anti-slavery organization in the world. They are called International Justice Mission. Right now, there are nearly 36 million slaves. And if this problem seems too big for them to handle alone, you're right. So there's a new plan, and it starts with you. It's called Freedom Sunday, because the end of slavery starts with believers who can see. When we see the small boy, whose name is Kumar, we can make sure he is allowed to go to school. We will see the mother, named Gauri, who is now working for a fair wage that will give both her and her children a better life. And we will see the young girl. Her name is Mien, and her body will never, ever be sold again. When you and your church join with IJM on Freedom Sunday, each life set free will add up, becoming hundreds, and then thousands, and then millions, until we finally can say, slavery doesn't exist anymore. Freedom Sunday. Join us.